My name is David J. Holly. The reason I came back to college is for multiple of reasons, but my main reason is to be an inspiration for my daughter, who is 4. Me being 56 and having a 4-year-old is kind of a unique situation. So consequently, I want her to be able to look up to her dad in her growing years so she can be better than her dad. But my strive at the end of my goal is to get a PhD, so you can call me doctor. College has really changed my life because I had to refocus my life in many ways, even with the people that I used to hang with, and the things that I used to do. It's all been a definite change. So I'm refocusing to be more positive, working towards entrepreneurship, because in the end, I do plan to have my own business, and I want to say thank you for college, for me going to college, for achieving that goal as well. Another benefit too, while I've been in college, I've been involved in a few programs. One that sticks out the most to me is TRIO, because TRIO has assisted me in being a very good advisor. They've also had many conferences, and in our many conferences, we've filled out applications for grants and scholarships as well. And it's just overall a really good program. And for all college students that come to Columbus State, in particularly, I would advise them to go ahead and get involved in TRIO. My words of encouragement is don't give up. There might seem there's a barrier that you can't go through, but if you reach out and use your resources wisely and find a program that is suitable for you or an advisor that works with you, you can go ahead and achieve anything.